In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your Google business profile might not be visible and importantly how to fix it. If you've been wondering why potential customers aren't able to find your business online, you're in the right place. So let's get started and make sure your business is easy to discover. First off, I want you to open your web browser and head over to business.google.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the sign in button in the upper right corner of the page. Click that button and log in using your Gmail account or whichever email you have associated with your business profile. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Google business page if you've set it up previously. However, if you're logging in for the first time, you might land elsewhere, so don't worry. An alternative way to access your profile is through Google search. Simply type in your business name or the phrase "my business" into the search bar. This is a quick way to get to your business profile if you're already logged into your Google account. Once you've reached your business page, you might notice a notification at the top saying your business is not visible to customers. This message can be quite alarming, but don't worry, I've got solutions for you. Directly below the icons menu, you'll probably see a banner prompting you to verify your business. Verification is crucial because it signals to Google that your business is legitimate and ready to be publicly listed. Click on the option that says Get Verified. This will initiate the verification process. The first page you'll encounter will ask you to input your business's full address, so make sure it's accurate. Click Next once you've filled that in. The next step involves uploading photos of your business. This might include logos, images of your storefront, or anything that visually represents your establishment. You have the choice to upload these directly or simply drag and drop the images. After you've uploaded them, hit Next. Now, you might be offered a credit for your business account, which is totally optional. You can choose to claim it immediately or opt to do so later. Following this, click Continue on the subsequent 2 pages and voila, you're done. Bear in mind that the verification process can take some time. Google will send you an email confirmation once everything is verified and your business is visible. If you experience any delays or issues, one possibility could be that your profile is suspended, often because it violates Google's guidelines or terms of service. So ensure your profile fully complies with all of Google's policies. Additionally, accuracy and consistency are key. Double check that your business name, address, phone number, and website are correct and match across all online platforms. This not only helps with verification, but also gives customers confidence in your business's authenticity. And that's it. Hopefully, by following these steps, your business will become visible on Google, providing you with more opportunities to reach your customers. Thanks for watching, and good luck.